in DevOps lab. So the title is to build a pipeline of job using Maven, Redel or Ant. Right now we are using Maven one in Jenkins. Create a pipeline script to test and deploy an application over a Tomcat server. CI/CD pipelines in DevOps. So what is CI and what is CD? What is CI? What is CD? Can anyone tell me what is CI/CD? Continuous integration. Yes. And then what is CD? Continuous de- development or continuous delivery. Here CD means continuous delivery. Okay. So, in what is the meaning of pipelines? Pipeline means what? We are simply joining the two different components and we are performing the two different components continuously, one after the another. Okay, so that is the actual meaning of pipeline. So here, what is the line states that we are integrating the continuously pipelines in DevOps. Okay, so what it is a strategy through which new features are delivered to the users fastly and efficiently. Can anybody tell me the phases of DevOps or which modules are there in the DevOps? Like continuous integration is there, then what else? Phases of DevOps. If you remember, we saw it in the first or second lecture. Continuous integration is there, then phases, code, test. Yes, correct. First, you develop the code. After developing the code, what you do? You give your code to the tester to test the code. After that, continuous testing. Yes. After that, what is the next stage after testing?
Integration.
Integration. Yes, correct. Then deployment is there, and then continuous delivery. Okay. So these are the phases which are there in the CI/CD pipelines. See here. First one is compile. Like after developing, you compile your code. Then unit test is there that you test your code, and then package. So what is the meaning of package? When you hear the term package, what it means that what is the meaning of package? Library. Okay. What else? Library means can I say that it is a collection of multiple things or multiple data only into one package version? Okay. But can I say that it is a collection of multiple things? Models also we can say. Yes, correct. So here, suppose you are developing a project. Okay. So inside the project, there will be lots of many applications, small applications will be there. Okay. Then so you have to perform the compile operation on that. Then you have to test that application. Okay. Suppose one Java project consists of 100 small application. Okay. So for that, we require the package. What package does is they simply combine or they simply wrap all the applications into whole one package. It's like a library. See, in library, you can refer or you can see a multiple books, correct, including various sections are there. Okay, so similarly here in package you can wrap all the projects, okay, all the small projects into whole one package. Understood these three parts: compile, unit test and package? That you must have heard these three terms. Yes or no? Have you heard these three terms, right? Compile, unit test, and package. You can type yes or no in the chat box so that I can go to the next one. Yes? Okay. So in today's practical, we are actually going to perform to compilation. I think compilation we have done in the last practical. Game of life compile. We have performed it in the last practical, right? Next one in today's practical, again we are going to perform the compile. then unit test, and then packaging. These three pipelines. Okay. This development testing environment, functional testing, and deploy staging. This is for the next practicals. Okay. When we will learn a Docker or Selenium methods, at that time we'll use this one. We'll develop this pipeline. But right now we are focusing on first three pipeline. Okay. So is that clear? DevOps CI/CD pipeline, what it does, and which phases are there in the CI/CD pipeline. If you have pen or pencil, just kindly note it down for your record only. So practice भी हो जाएगा, and then it will also fit in your mind. Okay. So I'll stop this screen. Please open a GitHub account. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please open GitHub account. In that, see, in last practical, we took one this thing. Which one is that? Game of life clone GitHub project, right? But in some unit test, it was not working properly. So that's why I dropped this game of life project and I chose another Maven project. So here, simply type Maven project. You can see it's already over here. But since you guys are searching it for the first time, click Maven project and click on the all GitHub. After that, you will see the first one, JLead tutorial Maven project. It's a
Ma'am,
source
can you
code.
please repeat?
Okay, okay. Just wait a minute. Let me show you from the first one. Here in the search box, please type Maven project like this, and you will see all GitHub account, all GitHub option is there. So please click on it, all GitHub. After that, you will get a list of different Maven projects. Okay. See, you can pick up the any Maven projects. There is no issue in that. So I took this one and it worked successfully for me. J. Lee tutorial, that is James Lee's Jenkins course. So open source project, Maven project. So please click on it. Done. So are you getting this screen? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
One of your friend has sent a GitHub link. To those who have not getting it, please click on it. Thank you so much for that. Acha, so now tell me, uh, from which file you will come to know that this is Maven project? Other than this title, how will you come to know that this is a Maven project?
Dot
pom.xml.
.xml.
Yes, correct. Pom.xml file. See, which is over here. Okay. So from this file, you will come to know that yes, this is the Maven project. Done. Now, please go back to your Jenkins account. Is it visible? Now you please go back to your Jenkins account. I've already performed the compile, test, and package one, and I have taken a screenshot also, but they are not arranged in the proper order. So I'll do it after this lecture and I'll upload it by today only. Okay. Now, please click on the previous job, that is Game of Life compile. This one. Are you getting this screen? Are you getting it? Yes? Okay. Now here, click on the configure button and now go to source code management. Configure button, then go to source code management. You will see the Git link. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay, okay. Just wait a minute. Here, Game of Life compile. Click on it. After that, on the left hand side, you will see configure button is there. This one.
Ma'am, I don't have
Ma'am,
gamer file compile folder.
आपने कौन से इसे रिपीट किया था? आई से नॉट रिपीट द सेव किया था because I saved my previous file as a game of life compile.
I think experiment number 4.
हाँ experiment. हाँ then it's okay. This is my file name. Please click on the previous file or the file that we have performed in the last week practical. Done? Please click on the file that you have performed in the last week practical. Yes or no? Can you please type yes or no in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, I am trying to open my Jenkins, but it is giving me to install it again.
Install it again. Is they giving you some update version?
No, ma'am, it is giving me like install it again .msi file.
Install it. Install it again. Have you? Okay, just look on here. Can you? Okay, so just do one thing. Just install it once again and then just check.
Okay.
Okay. We have made a few jobs. The one which have performed the compile one. See this one. The compile and then आपका फिर build now करके जो output था, and that only you have to select. See this one. Or else do one thing. Do one thing. Those who are not getting it, the one with the git link, it's okay. So those who are not getting it, you can create the new job. I'll give you some time. You can create the new job. It's very easy, right? Go to the new here, new item, then give a name, freestyle, and click on the OK button.
Ma'am, the one we compiled, right?
Yeah. Or else do one thing. You just create a new one. Create the new one. I'll show you. Create the new item. Click on here, new item, then enter name. Select the freestyle project and click on OK button.
Ma'am,
Got
any
it?
particular name?
Type compile or test. No, compile only. Give compile.
ma'am, those who have already, they have to do or not?
No. Those who have already don't do anything. Just here simply click on the configure button. Click your respective file. Then click on the configure button. You will get this screen. Are you getting this screen? General source code management and all.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now here go to source code management. See now your previous job has linked with the different Git account, sorry, different Git repository. Correct? Now go to your GitHub account. See this is your GitHub account. Click on the code button and copy this link. This one. Select this project, a JLead tutorial Maven project. Code, copy this link, go back to Jenkins and paste in the repository URL. Should I repeat it once again?
Ma'am, I'm not getting JLE tutorial on
See
GitHub.
search, wait. See search Maven project in the chat box, sorry, in the search box. Here, I'll show you once again. See, click Maven project. In Maven project, click on the all GitHub. so that you will get the list of all the Maven projects. And after that, first one is this JLE tutorial Maven project. So click on it. See, one of your friend has sent a link for Maven project. After that, copy this code and paste it over here. Over here. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now scroll down. Go to build and check whether your MyMaven and compile these goals are there or not. MyMaven, which we have already created in the previous lecture. Okay. Inside the goal, simply type compile. So what goal indicates that we are compiling the project. Done?
Yes.
Okay. After that, click on the save button. Then click on the build now. This one. So you will get your build success. You should get this screen. This one. Your username. Then the repository you will see here. The one which I have linked. And after that, finished success. So are you getting this one? See, first this message will you will not get. Okay. Because I already performed the practical, so that is why I'm getting these two one. But focus on the finished success. So are you getting this message? Finished
Yes,
success.
ma'am.
And screenshot do we have to take in?
Yeah, you have to take a screenshot. Can you paste it again? Which one? Ha, Shubham, your error is coming. I know, I know. We'll solve it later. You
मैम
meanwhile you
मैवन प्रोजेक्ट का मैम वो
Maven project ka.
लिंक मैम
Wait, wait.
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द फोल्डर मैम जेली मैवन
See
प्रोजेक्ट
your friend. See Anurag. He has already uploaded a message. If you just scroll up, you will see inside the message he uploaded a link. You simply click on it.
मैम आई जस्ट नाउ जॉइन विथ माय लैपटॉप दैट्स
Okay, okay. Just
आई एम
wait.
नॉट गेटिंग
Anurag,
दैट
can you just wait a minute? Let me copy paste it.
थैंक यू मैम गॉट इट मैम गॉट
Got it, no? It's done. Okay, so those who have finished, please take a screenshot of it with the whole one. See, dashboard, game of life compile, or whatever the name which you have saved the respective file. Please take a whole screenshot and highlight this finished one, this last part.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, there is console output. There is showing hashtag like 123. In my, it is showing 3. Is it okay, no, ma'am? Any number?
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा, no worries.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to highlight anything in this session?
Yeah. See this one, this part, the last part. Whereas it is saying that
Okay,
finished success. Highlight this part. Just let me know once you are finished with it.
मैम कैन यू रिपीट दैट प्रीवियस स्टेप मैम
The gate
मैम
one.
व्हेन वी क्रिएट द न्यू
Wait a minute. Have you created the new file or are you going to upload
नो
the
मैम आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दैट
create the new file? Create a new file, right?
मैम क्रिएट
See here in the dashboard, create on the new item. Here give name. You can give name as a compile also, whatever. Click on the freestyle project and then click on the OK button. This is the first one. Done?
यस मैम डन
After that, it will lead you to the this step. This page will come. This one.
यस मैम
Go to source code management. Now
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Now here click on the code button. Go to your GitHub account. Click on the code button.
Yes,
Copy.
ma'am, I copied.
And then again go back to Jenkins. Here, copy paste it. Then again scroll down. Click on the build button. Build. Add build step. Select invoke top level Maven target. This one. In that Maven version, click on my Maven and your goal should be compiled. After that, click on the save button.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Now again go back. Now create a new file. See here. Second file, game of life test. So now again go back to the new item, which is over here. Give a name. Click on the freestyle project.
Ma'am, what name, ma'am?
Give test name. See this one. Give test.
Okay, ma'am.
Click on the freestyle project. OK button. Then you will get this one. Configure. Go to source code management. Link your GitHub account. पहले इतना करो. Then let me know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we have to paste again that code.
You have to paste again. Yes.
मैम जेनकिन इज
Yes,
नॉट
ma'am, हो
ओपनिंग
गया.
इन माय लैपटॉप.
Done,
हुआ?
ma'am.
क्या हुआ?
मैम जेनकिन ओपन नहीं हो रहा लैपटॉप में मैम.
Open as in it. Is it taking time or कुछ error?
नहीं ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा है मैम.
Okay.
मैम आप
हाँ.
जेनकिन कैसे ओपन करते हैं एक बार आप बता देंगे. शायद तक मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ तो नहीं खुल रहा हूँ ऐसा.
See. Type this one. Localhost.
localhost.8080 डाला मैम तो वो साइट कैनॉट बी रीच दिखा रहा है मैम.
Dot नहीं colon 8080.
मैम मैंने वो भी किया. 1 मिनट में वापस कर रहा हूँ.
See, one of your friend he just messaged the service. Check for Jenkins and start the service.
Go to service, check for Jenkins, start the service.
He is explaining what. Just do it. We'll wait for 2 minutes and then we'll go to the next one.
Ma'am, can you forward? I copy pasted that.
हाँ. Copy paste हुआ. उतना हुआ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now scroll down. Again go to the build one. This build one. Click on the add build step. Select my Maven version. And now inside the goal, please type test and take a screenshot of it. Because in first part, we have created the compile one, okay? And we have successfully compiled the respective project, the project that we have linked with the GitHub account, through GitHub account, okay? Now here we are doing a testing, we are performing a testing one.
Then we have to save now, ma'am.
But before that, please take a screenshot of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Highlight the test one and then click on the save button. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now again click on the build now. This one, build now. So you will again get this message. See, just simply scroll down slowly and try to read the information. In that you should get this one, test running.com running com.example.test greater test run 2 failure 0 result again test run 2. Are you getting this one, this message?
No, it's loading.
Achha, it's loading. Okay. Once it's loading, no, just simply check.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
Ma'am, we did for compile
हाँ
previously. I
हाँ
mean, now today first our goal is to do compile. Then we have to again do with test.
टेस्टिंग करेक्ट एंड देन अगेन सेम प्रोसीजर पैकेज के लिए होगा ओके एंड आफ्टर
Okay,
दैट
ma'am, can you wait? I'm not doing. I'm not done with
हाँ नॉट डन विथ
test, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है
Ma'am,
आई एम वेटिंग आई एम वेटिंग
ma'am, in configure we have to change only that test only, no, instead
हाँ
of
हाँ
compile.
हाँ इंस्टेड ऑफ कंपाइल
And
यू हैव टू
the
सिंपली
link, the link same is the link is same now. Maven
हाँ
project.
हाँ सेम
Okay.
मतलब जो अभी हम लोगों ने किया जेली उसका
Yes,
था ना
आज का.
जेम्स ली हाँ
Yes,
उसका हाँ
yes. Only test.
हाँ यस करेक्ट बिकॉज यू आर परफॉर्मिंग टेस्टिंग दैट्स व्हाई टेस्ट
Ma'am, it's showing tests run 0, failure 0.
हाँ फिर wait a minute. Are you getting this message? If you scroll down this one, can you see this test run 2
No, tests run 0. It's showing.
showing test
It's
run
showing
0?
this message, but tests run is 0.
Okay, because we have two tests actually. Can you build again? See, test run 0 is here. Wait a minute. See, this one you are getting, no? Test run 0.
Yeah.
Here.
And
So can you just scroll up a little bit? Again, one test paragraph is there. Here you will see test run 2.
yeah,
Then
found, ma'am, found.
yeah, okay. So please try to take a screenshot of from this, from test to last one, if possible, and highlight the success. This one, finish success and test. We'll wait for your friends.
Ma'am, can you
Ah,
repeat for the test item? I've created a new item called text. Then after
okay,
that,
okay. Just wait a minute. Okay, so here's go to source code management, copy the link from GitHub account, and then paste it over here. The same that we did for the compile, no? Same step is there for the test one. Done? This
that
one?
Maven project, right?
JLeap Maven project, the new one. See
Okay.
this. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done?
Nothing in build, right?
After that, you have to again scroll down. Go to build option, which is over here. Select add build step. In that, select invoke top level Maven target. This one. Okay. Then select the Maven version, that is my Maven. And inside the goal, type TST test. Take a screenshot of it and then save it. Done?
After that, ma'am.
Did you take a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Save, click on the save button. Then click on the build now. This one. So it will load. You should get this message. See, this one. Finish success.
Ma'am, I got test run 0, failure 0.
Then see this one, no? So you simply scroll up. You will get test run 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And then test run 0 means they were testing, and after that, this is the last result.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so please take a screenshot of it and save it. Now go back to again your file, project game of life test. Here
Ma'am,
you
can you wait?
okay. It's still loading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure.
Ma'am, for the last screenshot, we have to take like the test run 2 or 0.
If possible, try to take a whole 1, 2 or 0, or else it's okay. Take a last part, finish success and test 0.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the previous one, I did not get any test paragraph, but I got the
How?
message success.
Can you just scroll up and just check?
Yes, ma'am, I checked it twice. There is no paragraph test. I got some
Okay.
warnings, ma'am, but the build was success.
This. Okay, have you type a test one like this? Wait a minute. Configure. The job was goal was test, right?
My build was failed, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not this one. The earlier one, the first one which we did today.
Wait. This one you're talking, right?
No, ma'am, I haven't compile one, not the test one.
Okay, here.
Yes, ma'am.
So in compile you will get not test message.
Okay, ma'am.
In test you will get a test message like that. Go to have you created a game of life test, right? Or the test experiment, I mean application.
Yes, ma'am.
So click on it and then build now. Click on the build now.
Okay.
Who are not getting the like the output of failure something, just make sure in configure inside that whenever you type the goal, test compiler package, make sure you're writing it in the small letter. Don't add any capital letter. Just let me know once you're finished it. Done. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now go back to your this one, game of life test or test project. Here you will see workspace is there. Please click on it, workspace.
Ma'am, do we have to do for package?
हाँ पैकेज का भी करना है. First let we'll finish the test one and then same we'll go for the package one. Okay. Okay, see, game of life test. Here click on the server button. After that in server you will see 3 files are there. Among that click on the second one, that is target. After that you will see there is one file called as a surefire reports. Okay, or surefire reports, two actually are there, but click on this one, surefire reports. Then here this is called as the test cases. Okay, so these are your test cases. If you open it, see, you will get this message, test set, this one. Go back. If you try to open this also, you will get this whole messages. Okay, understood? So please take a screenshot of this workspace of game life test and master and highlight this one. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do one thing, copy this one, server target, or simply write it down somewhere in the notepad because we require this path for the next one. You can open a new tab and simply write down the server slash target slash surefire dash report slash.
Ma'am, could you repeat what screenshots you have to take for the previous one?
See this one, workspace game of life, the whole screen,
Yes.
and highlight this folder, this one. This is the path and this is your test cases. And after that, just simply write down these 3 path or this one in some notepad or in tab. Just let me know once you're finished.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now again here in the same file, go to the configure. Here you will see there is a last option called as a post build action. So please click on it.
Ma'am, can you repeat? Ma'am.
Okay. गेम ऑफ लाइफ टेस्ट इतना हुआ आपका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके एंड देन हाईलाइट ओके
Yes, yes, ma'am.
हाँ नाउ हियर सी ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कॉन्फिगर बटन इज देयर go inside that button last there is an option called as a post build action this one so please click on it are you getting this one this button I have already created that is why lots of details are there so can you see this button add post build action
Yes, ma'am.
so please click on it and select this one publish JUnit test result report just let me know once you're finished
Yes, ma'am.
okay so are you getting this screen this one like this test report XML
Yes, yes.
okay it is blank right so now
Yes.
type hard now type the path the one which I've just told you to copy and paste it somewhere this one
Yes.
server target show your reports and that dot XML star dot XML now see in Viva they will ask you if this is the path okay we know that this is the path to reach the respective file but what is the meaning of this one what is the meaning of star dot XML file so your answer should be कि suppose in the reports it is not necessary कि एक ही test case होना चाहिए okay right now अभी अपने project में 2 test cases are there okay so in some projects there will be 100 test cases are there so we can't perform the unit test or we can perform the test cases individually right so group में perform करने के लिए we are including this star dot XML at the end of our path understood any doubt because in Viva they will ask you what is a star dot XML indicates that clear okay done
Yes,
then
ma'am.
then scroll down and click on the save button this one so on your screen are you getting this new tab latest test result something like that
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
no can you just check once again test result or here or somewhere like that test result just check on the left hand side also I got it here or simply refresh the
Ma'am, don't we have to build?
build
As
we forgot
we,
to build a job okay,
yeah,
okay sorry
we
sorry
made change, but we didn't build.
sorry forgot to build a job just wait a minute this one we have done but build is already there no so it's already there because it should come see this one okay sorry my mistake after that you have to click on the build now button okay I got that build one build now on the left hand side yeah I got it thank you so much after clicking on it this latest test result should come along with the graph also got it
Yes, ma'am.
so if you see just simply You scroll down over here, they will give you the details related to the build 7. Since I've performed the multiple build, that is why build 11, 12, 13 something are there. Okay, they will also give you the information: failed 0, pass 2, skip 0, like that. So in Viva, if external asks you like how to check the test result, okay, for the multiple test cases, then you can say that by clicking on the respective graph, you can show them. Okay, so please take a screenshot of it. Sorry. Take a screenshot of this whole project, highlight this one, and highlight the graph name also, and save it.
Ma'am, what we have to highlight?
You have to highlight the latest test result, this one, and test result red. You can also click over here, see all test cases, test result 0 failures. Click on the latest test one, this one, latest test result. You will get a package. In that, click on the com.xml. Then inside the package, there is a class. Again, click on it, and then you will get a test name. See this one. And then status is fast. Duration is 4 micro or millisecond, I guess.
Should we take screenshot of this?
Yes. Take a screenshot of it and highlight the test name. Done? Now go back to dashboard and please create a compile one. New application for the compile. Here, again source code management. Then you have to link the Git one. Then inside the build, add build step, invoke top level Maven target. Sorry, package.
Ma'am, we already have a compile one.
Sorry, package one. Create the package one. New. The same we did for the test. Create a package one. Follow the same step, source code management. Okay, now here Maven version will be the same. In goal, instead of test, write a package and then save it, and then click on the build now. Take a screenshot of this one. See, you can also take a screenshot later, okay? मतलब configure में जाके again then you can take a screenshot of it. So if you miss some taking screenshot, then don't panic. You can go back to configure and then you can again review the respective field and you can take a screenshot of it. Click on the save button. After that, click on the build now. So you should get this message, this one. So you should get this type of message. Finish success and here packing, way back, assembling and all. So are you getting this screen?
Yes, ma'am. Build success.
Can you repeat now? From which step? From the start, like from package one. See here, create a new item, then type the package freestyle project and then click on the OK button. Inside that, go to configure. Here, source code management. Again, link your GitHub account or GitHub link with this one. After that, simply scroll down. Here, click on the add build step. Select invoke top level Maven target. Select my Maven and write down the package tool and click on the save button. This one. Click on the save button and click on the build now. After that, you should get this type of output, console output, and then here, as usual, finished success. See, are you getting this line building war or var file and this path? Are you getting this path? This one? Yes? Okay. So please take a screenshot and highlight this path also. This path and finish success. Highlight these two main points. This one and the last one. And please save it. Done? Now go to workspace. See here, go back to your package file. Here you will see workspace. Click on it. Here you have to simply follow the same path. The path which you have just highlighted, no? You have to follow the same path after workspace. Here click on the web app. After that, second option, you have to click on the target and see. Here you will see the var file. So var file indicates that your respective file is a package phase. It has compiled successfully or you have built the package successfully. So this is your var file indicates. Done. So please take a screenshot of it and highlight this web app.var file. And I'll give you 3-4 minutes. Just check which steps you are missing or something like that. Just go through all the phases, see the configure button, see the link, see the test name or the not a test name, the goal name and everything. Just simply go through it. Okay, and then we'll go to the next one, that is creating a build pipeline.
Ma'am, here what we have to do?
Here you have to take a screenshot of this whole screen and highlight this var file. Var file indicates that package has compiled successfully. So externally पूछा show me the output where your package has installed successfully. So go to workspace and then respect to this one path, follow the path and here you will get a var file. Now path आपको किधर से मिलेगा? See the one which I just taken a screenshot, no? See here. Here you will get a path. Building war, and this is the path. Now we are already in the Jenkins. We are already in the workspace. Game of Life package. This is my package name. Okay. So inside the package, you have to click the web app target and web app.war. That's it. From here, you will get the path name. Okay. Save all the screenshot. Just go through it all the phases, and we'll start with the next one.
Should we save that path?
This.
Yes, ma'am.
We have already taken a screenshot. No, simply highlight it. Done. Now go to dashboard here and click on the first file, that is compile one. Please click on it. Now here go to configure button and see again last option is there, post build action. Please go.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay. Go back to your dashboard.
Ma'am, this is experiment 6.
Yeah. Fifth or sixth, this one, wait a minute, let me check. This is fifth one, not sixth one. Fifth experiment. The same experiment, we have not finished it. We have just
Okay.
created a phases separately. Now it is time to link all the phases. So click Game of Life compile one. Here on the left hand side, configure button, click on it. Then post build action, the last option. Please click on
Ma'am,
this.
we don't have to paste the link of.
No. Don't do anything. We have already linked it, no, with the GitHub account. Now we are
Mine
simply
is showing
linking.
none.
Sorry.
Mine is showing none. The source management.
Don't create a new one. See, don't create the new one. The first one which have already existed account or existed application. Yes, there is no need to create the new one. The first which I already created in the name of compile, please click on it. Here, go to the configure button and then last click on the post build action. Done. Up to this. Yes or no?
I'm in post build action. What we have to do?
Up to this it's done, right? Post build action. Okay. Now here click on the add post build action. There you have to click this one, build other projects. The third option. Build other project.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. So are you getting this screen? Build other projects, and they will ask
Yes.
that which project to build the next one. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, how is the ranking? First is compile, second one is test, and third one is package. So here after compile, our next project should be testing one. Okay. So here please click game of life test or simply type game of life test or your name, whatever your project name, type it. Done.
Yes.
Okay, and make sure you have checked this first option, trigger only if build is stable, this one.
Ma'am, do we have to take screenshot?
Yeah, you have to take a screenshot, highlight this one, take a screenshot and click on the save button. See, after that in the game of life compile file, you will get one message downstream project, and inside that again test project name is there. So are you getting this one, downstream project and game of life test, like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so downstream means what? The next project, and upstream means the previous one. Okay, so since compile is the first one, so our next project is the game of life, this one. So please take a screenshot of it and highlight this one, project name and downstream project, and save it.
Ma'am, we are. I am getting upstream project also.
Upstream project.
Yes, ma'am, upstream.
How come? Because आपने compile में किया ना?
No, ma'am.
Then I mean जो first आपका था
I'm
login.
refreshing.
Wait. Can you repeat it once again?
Ma'am, after doing configuration,
हाँ, see.
configure,
हाँ, here.
uh, in that
Post build
in post
action.
build action,
हाँ, correct.
I'm selected build another project. Then
हाँ,
I'm
build
written
other
my
one.
project name
हाँ,
and
तो
trigger
give.
only if build is stable.
हाँ, correct. Give next project. Like first one is compile. तो next क्या है आपका test one. तो अपने test के लिए कौन सा नाम दिया है? Select that one.
Which, ma'am?
Test के लिए आपने कौन सा नाम दिया है for the respective project?
Test.
आपके प्रोजेक्ट का नाम क्या है आफ्टर कंपाइल के बाद?
EXP 4.1.
ओके, हाँ, तो सिलेक्ट दैट वन.
Yes, ma'am. वही select किया मैंने.
देन सेव इट.
Yes. It is showing me both upstream and downstream both.
ओके, ठीक है, विल सी द नेक्स्ट वन.
After
बिकॉज
that, we have to build. We have to build now. Click on
नहीं,
build
डोंट,
now.
नहीं.
Okay.
टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट एंड हाईलाइट द प्रोजेक्ट. डन. यस, डन.
Ma'am, we have to highlight down वाला down.
नहीं, इट्स
So
ओके. आप आपके इसमें जो अपस्ट्रीम भी दिखा रहे थे, इट्स ओके. हाईलाइट बोथ द प्रोजेक्ट्स. डन. Yes or no. You can just type yes or no in the chat box.
yes,
Okay. Now, again, go back to the dashboard. Click on the second project. Mine is Game of Life Test. So click on the second project. Done. Now here, click on the configure. Click on the configure button here. Done up to these steps.
Yes.
Now here see, you will see one option is there called as a build trigger. So please click on it. Is simply add the previous project name. That is a compiled one. Mine was a compiled one. So please add this.
Ma'am, I'm not getting good option.
Build trigger.
Do we
Click
have to
on the
select
build.
anything in build triggers?
See, just wait a minute. Select the second one. Build after other projects are built. See this one. Build
Yes,
after
ma'am.
other projects are built. After that, you will get a box. So simply type the previous project one. Done. Make sure this trigger only if build is stable is checked. This one. These three parts. Done. Just simply type yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now simply scroll down again in the same project only in test one. Scroll down. Here you will get post build action. Are you getting this one? Post build action.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here click the build other projects. The third option, build other projects. You will get again this screen, this one. Done. Now here you have to select the
Ma'am, I'm not getting
which one?
that page. After building new project, build other projects I've clicked, but I'm not getting.
Wait.
Yes,
Add
ma'am. Even me.
add post build action, then build other project.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not getting this one, this screen.
No, ma'am.
Just wait a minute. I'll check because it should get. Again, try it once again.
Uh, there's no option of other build projects.
Because you can just scroll up and scroll down, see like this, because it you should get this one. Since the option is disabled, it means that आपने select किया है. Just see. Or before the JUnit test report, there should be this box.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you getting this box?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी मिला आपको?
हाँ.
Okay. So now here, simply type the next project. So the name of my next project is Game of Life Package. So आपका जो भी project name रहेगा after test, so simply type it over here or select it to the button, and then make sure again trigger only if build is stable. This option is selected.
Ma'am, I'm getting no such project.
No such a project as in what? See like this, you are not getting.
Yes, I'm getting that error. No such project. Did you mean?
How to click on the outside. Click on the outside the box. Now you are not getting. See.
I'm still getting an error. No such project.
So can you see the project name of yours and just make sure the project name is same?
Yes, ma'am. I've clicked on the drop down we get.
Friend is saying remove the comma. Comma will come automatically. It's okay. It's coming automatically. Try with the removing the comma and then click outside the box.
Yes, ma'am.
So those are finished.
Ma'am,
Huh?
like I build my project name is experiment 4, then I have to write after experiment 4 package, like experiment 4 package.
नहीं, wait. See, मेरे experiment का name क्या था? Game of life, whatever. The next one is compile. ठीक है? Then next was test, and then उसके बाद क्या था? Package. Like that. तो आफ्टर टेस्ट आपने कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट ओपन किया और क्रिएट किया?
मैम EXP 4.1 ओनली, मैंने
हाँ
क्रिएट कुछ नहीं किया।
हाँ, नहीं, थर्ड वाला पैकेज जो मैंने बोला पैकेज क्रिएट करने को।
EXP 4.1।
हाँ, तो एंटर दैट नेम।
Yes, ma'am. Only that we have to enter in all steps.
नहीं, नॉट इन ऑल स्टेप्स। वेट, सी, we are in the second phase, okay? That is a test phase. Here in the build trigger, हाँ, see, हाँ, here in the build trigger, test के पहले वाला कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट था? You have to enter that name, okay? And then you have to click on the build after other projects are built, like that. First you have to click on this one, and then you have to enter before the project name of test. After that you have to scroll down, then click on the post build action, which is over here. You have to click on the build other projects. After that you will get this box, and inside this, after test आप कौन सा project करने वाले हो? I name it as a package one, so your name will be different, so you have to select that project name. Understood? And after that please click on the save button. Done? So are you getting this screen along with the upstream project and downstream
Ma'am,
project?
in previous page, do we have to take any screenshot?
No. You have to take a screenshot for this one. Are you getting this? In upstream project, your first project will be there, and downstream project, your last project will be there. So are you getting
Yes,
this
ma'am.
screen? Yes. So please take a screenshot and highlight the upstream project, the name, and downstream project and name. And just let me know once you finish with it.
Ma'am, from where we can check our project name?
See, go to dashboard here. See your project name.
Ma'am, here, in here, I am able to see the project name which I made, not this. My project name compile package, not text. Test.
हाँ, नहीं, बिकॉज ये मैंने नाम दिया है. आई गिवन द नेम टू दिस प्रोजेक्ट नेम. अभी आपका अलग है, आपके स्टूडेंट्स लोग का अलग रहेगा, वैसे करके. अभी आपने कौन सा नाम दिया है? फॉर कंपाइल द योर नेम विल बी डिफरेंट, राइट? फॉर
Yes.
पैकेज प्रोजेक्ट योर नेम विल बी डिफरेंट.
Ma'am, we have to do that project separately by different name.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. इसके लिए मैंने, बिकॉज हम लोगों ने 3
Ma'am,
डिफरेंट
I
बनाए ना.
did with same name. All. All.
सेम नेम, देन कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. देन व्हाट यू डू इज select the file, this one, go to configure, okay, and here in the build option see the goal. So जो goal, suppose package का goal अभी कौन सा है? This one,
Package.
like that. हाँ, then select that one like that. But same name का क्यों बनाया आपने? Can you edit the name?
Ma'am, same name is not possible. When we create the project, it will show a warning that
हाँ,
a project already exists. It will
तो
override that project.
शायद से उनका 4.1 4.2 वैसे रहेगा, right?
No, ma'am. Only I am did all the test build and package with 4.1 only. After that means like first I
नहीं,
perform
it
compile,
means
then
suppose this is your 4.1, okay.
yes, ma'am. In
हाँ,
this I am did all thing I did in this.
हाँ, तो वैसे नहीं करने का था. It's okay, but now you understood how to create a 3 different packages.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो वैसे ही करो आप अभी आप नेक्स्ट अभी यू कैन क्रिएट द 3 different पैकेजेस एंड फॉलो द सेम स्टेप
Okay, ma'am. New one, ma'am.
हाँ न्यू वन एंड मेक श्योर टू राइट डाउन द नेम एज कंपाइल अभी गेम ऑफ लाइफ वो नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा कंपाइल पैकेज टेस्ट वैसे करके आप नेम दो तो भी चलेगा
Okay, ma'am.
ओके ओके सो done with the taking screenshots and everything yes okay so now what you have to do is click on the gift of package I mean sorry the last one package one and click on the build now button and then go back to the dashboard see like this or you can take anything game of life take any project click on the build now and then see you will get a message pending you can go back to the dashboard and check first one is it's now running after that test will run and package will run like this now it will take some time here you will also see the status build executor status
Ma'am, which item we have to compile first?
you can take anything because now 3 phases are related conduct I mean what you called as a link to each other right so go for the first one the compile one see after that you will see in the build after compile here game of life test that is my second phase or second project name is executing build executor status and you will see in the build queue no build queue is there
Yes, ma'am, it's happening, but
huh.
it's not in order.
It's not in
Order.
I see it is in order and then last one is game of life package this one see the
Yes,
build
yes.
build executor status first one compile then we linked with the test and then package like this are you getting this screen see explore this build executor status one and after that idle it's done are you getting it yes or
Yes,
no
ma'am.
yes okay now there's one last step now we have to see right now we have 3 different phases okay that is why it is very easy to simply see on the dashboard but suppose in future okay if you are working in the company there will be 100 and so many test cases will be there so it will be very difficult for us to simply see it on the dashboard and then see the build executor status like that okay so what we do is we'll simply try map this respective project name into the pipeline along with the Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins plugins are there. So here, click on the manage Jenkins. Click on it, manage Jenkins. Then simply scroll down and click on the manage plugin. So are you getting this screen? This one? Just 2 minutes of wait. We'll pause for 2 minutes. Yes, are you getting this screen? This one? Yes? Just simply type yes or no. Yes, okay. See, there are total four options are here. Updates, available, installed, and the advanced one. Okay. So we'll not focus on the advanced one. Install means what? These are the plugins which I've already installed in your Jenkins. See, if you see over here, you will see checkbox is there and uninstall option is there. It means what? These plugins have already installed in your Jenkins. The next one is available. So available means what? So suppose if you want to add a new plugins, okay, so we can go to the available here and we can type any plugins that we want to add for our project. Understood? So I'll share one screen with you, and in that just wait a minute. I've added a screenshot of it. Okay, so is my screen visible to all of you? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please in the available, please type build pipeline, this, and you will get this plugin, first one. Simply select the pipeline and click on the install without restart. Click on here, install without restart. Done? So are you getting this screen? It will simply take some time. Just let me know. Ah, it's installing. Yeah, yeah. Let me know once it is finished.
Yes, ma'am. After finishing,
Now go back to the dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. You will see there is a plus sign beside the all button. Are you getting this sign plus
yes,
one?
ma'am.
Okay. Click on it. You will get this screen. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now please give a name. Right now give the same name as DevOps CI/CD pipeline and click on the build pipeline view and click on the OK button. This one. And take a screenshot of it.
Before clicking OK or after clicking OK?
No, before taking OK. After clicking OK, you will go to the next slide. No? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they will ask you for this message. Upstream information, sorry, upstream, downstream config, like this. So here select the initial job. Initial means what? A starting one. Again, don't get confused. Right now my starting job is compile, game of life compile. So आपका जो भी रहेगा with respect to project name, please click the first project name. Then make sure build card is this one. Restrict trigger no. Always allow manual trigger no.
After that, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
After that, click on the OK button. You will get this pipeline, this screen, build pipeline like this.
Yes, ma'am. Order.
Got it? Here you will see your file name, your project name, then the file which you have created, then seconds are what for the compile time and the username. See like this. So are you getting this screen, build pipeline?
Yes, ma'am.
And here your pipeline name. So please take a screenshot of whole this thing, and there is no need to highlight anything. Don't do anything.
Ma'am, could you please repeat again?
Okay, okay. Just wait a minute. From this step or from the previous one?
From the
From the previous one?
from here itself.
From here now. Okay. Please give a name, view name DevOps CI/CD pipeline, and then click on the build pipeline view. After that, take a screenshot of it and click on the OK button. And also read the description also. What is the meaning of build pipeline view? What is list view, my view, like that. Yeah, from here, done. See, fill this respective field and click on the OK button. After that, you will get this screen. They will ask you to select the initial job. That is the first job, okay? So in my computer, I have created the first job with this name, Game of Life Compile. So your might be different. Your name will be different for the different job. So make sure you are selecting the initial job one. After that, see the trigger options and see these respective fields. No, no, and then standard build card like this. If everything is okay, then click on the OK button. And after that, you will get this screen, build pipeline, along with your pipeline name. Here, you will get a project name. Then here, you will get a GitHub ID and the date that when you have created the respective project. Then, so are you getting this screen, this one? If yes, then please take a screenshot of it. See, try to again refresh the button. Here there are two options are there. Let me check. See, this is how it looks like. So if you want to view it again, then please go to dashboard. Here beside the all, your pipeline name will come. You have to simply select this name and this build pipeline will come on your Jenkins desktop. So are you getting this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, click on the run button and just check what it is working. Click on the run button. Also click on the refresh one here.
Ma'am, the colors have changed.
Yours is okay, but beside that, see, click on here, this one, this button, rerun for the respective compile. You will see it is running compile, then test will run, then package will run like
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay, understood. So this is how you should build a pipeline along with the three phases. So suppose if you want to create the new phases, you can do it. You can also add the few steps, okay? Because three more steps are remaining, right? So we'll do it in the next practicals when we will learn the new tools. So at that time, you can add the few steps and it will show like this. Okay, so this is what a representation, what you call as a graphical representation for the pipeline. See, if you click on the configure button, please click on it, this one. Here in build pipeline, click on the configure button and just scroll down. Here you will see display option and number of display build is 1. Okay, you can also increase anything up to 500. The limit is here, but you can also increase. So let me wait for 2 and save it. So you will see the build, that is pipeline 1, 11, 1 is created and pipeline 2 is created. Done. So one more thing, in external, okay, or in Viva or in practical external, will ask you, okay, I want to see the five builds, okay, 5 pipeline. So how to do that? So you have to just go to configure, then you have to scroll down. There is a called as display option. Display means, you have to just simply show it. Here first option, number of display builds. Suppose external ने बोला कि 5 times मेरे को display करना है, you just show me. Then click on the 5, click on the OK button. Here you will see your job is display 5 times. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, they will not ask you big things. Okay, they will ask you the small things. कि अगर आपने एक output लिया ना, ठीक है, this is what we have performed in the practical. Okay, but मेरे को अभी यही नहीं देखना है. I want to see the next one. So how can you do that? They will also ask you to change the Git configure name, like this one. Suppose they will choose one project name and they will ask you to configure the source code management or take any project or any code from the GitHub. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to simply go to the GitHub account. See over here, you have to type the Maven project. Since we are doing it Maven, you have to type the Maven project. You have to click on the all GitHub, and then you will see there are n number of Maven projects are there. Pick up any one from it, and then just show it. Understood? So they will ask for the small changes. Try to explore it using the GitHub account and using this one. Done. So this is where your fifth experiment end. I think only last part is there, but that we'll see in the next one, in the next lecture. So do you have any doubts till now in the package, compile or test, and how to build it, something like that? Yes, if you have any doubt, please type yes or no, or else we'll simply end the lecture over here.